Quick vid, just got the Monday Motorbike Anza delivered today. Had it put together, I don't know, about 15 minutes. Only thing you really had to do was mount the handlebars. Came with the wire dressing here. Probably get something fancier in a bit. Have a new headlight on order. Should be here tomorrow, and I'll do a video when I put that on. This is the 750. Came with the tires full. Seat's pretty hard. Hopefully that loosens up over time. Oh. Got the kickstand there, which is real nice. Higher quality kickstand than I thought. Everything feels real solid. Still have to adjust the controls. You can change the mode by hitting the plus. Headlight by holding down the headlight button. You got the headlight on. And then off. You could cycle through some info. Just us going around the neighborhood, already put on 7 miles. Max speed is 27, I got it to. That's going downhill and pedaling like the wind. It seems like the motor cuts out at 20 miles per hour, no matter what, so I have to find a way to fix that. Average speed 15. Says I had 48 miles to go on the charge. Haven't really charged it. After putting 7 miles on, the battery came about 2/3 full, so that's not bad. The watt draw, I don't know what OC is. Then you change the modes, 1, 2, 3. And, oh, let me get the kickstand up. And away we go. So just now the motor cut out, so I'm at 19. So if I was to pedal like the Dickens, I could probably get it up more. Probably replace the brake pads. I don't know what's out there. It's my first e-bike. Does okay, off the go. And we're going uphill right now. Not pedaling, it's maintaining, kinda. So anyway, I know I've been looking for videos, just wanted to get this out there. Thanks.